Good evening, everyone. It is May 30th, 2017. We're doing a quick personal box break for Daniel in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2016-17 Upper Deck Trilogy Hockey. So, good luck. If you want a list, Randy, I don't have much available, but you can always email us. I only have about 4 or 5 products in stock right now. We used to have a ton more, but we went through a lot. So, alrighty. Good luck, man. Now, the reason why I cannot tell you the price through the chat or in the air is because due to Upper Deck rules, we have to keep it confidential. But if we do move up to an authorized online retailer or one of those, I think it is we have to get, then we could definitely do those personals through the website and not have to hide anything. I mean, it doesn't take that long to send an email. All I gotta do is copy and paste the list, and then we do that. All right. Brent Burns, 91 of 849. Tyler Toffoli, 429 of 849. These are some of the numbered base. Philip Forsberg, 43 of 182. Relic for the Nashville Predators. Anthony Mantha, 98 of 999, level 1. Second half. Nice! Wow. Look at this. Daniel, you just hit one of the best cards. Look at that. Wayne Gretzky. Hall of Fame signature pucks, 1 of 3. Box 6 magic right there. I would have chose that box, actually. You made me. But good thing you chose number 6, because there you go. These were all loose boxes from I don't know what cases we had, so don't shy away from getting some of these personals. 1 of 3. You know how probably, I wouldn't even know the odds to pull this. Look at that. Beauty. There you go, man. Ryan Pulock, 39 of 399, level 1. Matt Duchene, 620 of 849. And you got a Braden Point, 560 of 999. There you go. I mean, that Wayne Gretzky covered probably for the other rookie autograph, I assume. But nice. Couple relics, couple numbered cards. But 1 of 3. Hall of Fame signatures. Wayne Gretzky. Well, there you go, Dan. Thanks for getting that personal box. JaspysHobbyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.